An interesting interface is the 10-bar interface, and it monitors up to 10 channels of analog data and displays them as bar graphs rather than plot lines. So let's take a look at it. Okay, here we are. Plot area looks kind of familiar. The menu area looks familiar as well, except for the fact that now we have 10 channels down here of various color choices that we will choose to use for our bar graphs. Before we start, let's go up to the View menu and turn off our digital data and make sure that the digital data is off, and it is. Now that it's off, let's go to the control area, click on our rocker switch, and there we have some bar graphs being plotted. And as we zoom out, we can see that the bar graphs kind of move up and down with the sinusoidal data that we're plotting. And at the very top here, we see that we have the values of the amplitude of these plots changing as they move. The scale of the plot right now is a little bit too much, so let's come down here to our y-axis control area and change that to something that we know is more appropriate, and I'm going to type in a number of 350. Alright, so now our plot is going from 0 to 350, and we're able to see the 10 analog channels again being displayed as bar graphs. Now, there may be some application for you in displaying your analog data like this. Very easy to see, and it's a different interpretation than a normal plot line. And one other thing you can do with it is change the color of the plot if you just don't like it. Let's go to, let's say, channel 4 here. Let's click on channel 4 and change its color. Let's make it a yellow in this case, all right? All right, channel 4 is now a yellow, so that's all we really need to do. So there isn't really too much more to the 10 bars interface except for this. So you may have an application for bar graphs like this, and they're very, very easy to manipulate and view. So once again, this is a nice, neat little interface to consider.